Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this page thumbnail icon. Now click on this page thumbnail and select your pages. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this duplicate option. Click here and say this page is now duplicated, and also duplicated multiple pages items and drag your mouse cursor and select multiple pages, and these three pages now selected. Now and click right button for your mouse cursor and select duplicate and say this all of these three pages now duplicated. In this way you can duplicate it specific pages or selected pages. Also you can duplicate it all of pages, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.